too salty.
Am I sodium and chlorine? Am I ionic bond between sodium and chlorine?
And it's like I saw you say that. Why did you slap me in you? Does that mean you don't think I'm pretty? You said the water's pretty and you didn't tell me that I'm pretty. Why did you propose to me in the cubes? Look, I can like. If a stingray, what do you got, bruh?
Oh, you want me?
Chris, what you got? Ugh, you took that hit, you ate that. What you learned?
Stiff arm somebody?
Uh-huh.
Keep your arm straight.
Why?
No way.
Why?
Because it's
May. So you just say just run, keep running toward them like this?
I'm trying to use this demonstration. Run at my. Okay. That's what happens when you keep your arm straight. I need more pressure. Like I'm straight. I need more pressure. Come on. Yes, okay. Now come with my arm. Now do it again, but my arm is bent. Look what happens. See my arm bends, he can make the tackle. You keep the arm straight and use your natural skeletal structure to keep him away.
Finish right again.